In last lecture, we have discussed about relational operator. In this video, we'll discuss about increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator plays an important role in any programming language, in the sense that whenever we are using a program by using increment and decrement operator, it must be defined in a prescribed format. Types of increment and decrement operators are pre-increment, number two is called post-increment. Similarly, for pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-decrement means we will use plus plus sign before a variable, and post-increment means we will use a plus plus sign after a variable. Similarly with a decrement operator. So if a is equal to 2, then what is plus plus a? And if a is equal to 2, then what will be a plus plus? In both the cases, the result will be 3. Why? Because when I am talking pre-increment and post-increment, it means that value 1 will be added to that variable. So plus plus a means a plus 1, and a plus plus means a plus 1. In both the cases, result will be same. So a is 2 plus 1, 3. A is 2 plus 1, result will be 3. Then the question arises in mind, why we need pre and post increment and decrement. Let us discuss this with the help of an example. Example 1. Suppose there is a variable a. The value of variable a is 2. I am using this variable pre-increment with another variable, say x, with the help of an assignment operator that is equal to sign. Then tell me what will be the value of a and x. So here it is important to note that whenever we are using any operator, especially increment or decrement operator, pre or post, we must check the assignment operator for it. If we are using post or pre-increment, say for example here I am using pre-increment, it means that the value of a will be first incremented and then it will be assigned to another variable x. Right? It means if a is equal to 2, then its value will be incremented first, it will be 3, and then that 3 value will be assigned to x. That's why a is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. Right? Next, example second, say a is equal to 2, and I'm using post increment over here with an assignment operator with another variable x. In case of post increment, the value will first assign to left hand side and then it will be incremented. So a is equal to 2. It means a will not be incremented here. It will be first assigned to variable x. It means a is 2, who will be assigned to x. The value of x will be 2, and then after that it will be incremented. So a will be incremented by 1. The value of a will be 3. I have a C compiler with me. Let us see, or let us check the output of the program that I have already written and saved in different files. Suppose let us discuss first file G1. So here we see that we have assigned a pre-increment operator a with the variable x. So we are using pre-increment here. It means the value will first be incremented by 1. So value of a is what? That is 2. After increment, its value will be 3. Then 3 will be x and 3 will be a. It means the value of 2 is incremented over here and 3, and then 3 will be assigned to x. So value of x and a will be 3 and 3 respectively. Let us check the result. Control F9. See, x is equal to 3 and a is equal to 3. Now let us discuss another example. I am opening another file, that is G2. Open it. Here I am using a post increment operator, and after implementing this, we will check the value of x and a respectively. So as we are using a plus plus over here, the value of a is 2. 2 will be here. This 2 will be assigned first to the left hand side, that is to the x. So value of x will be 2. and after increment value of A will be 3. So let us check the result. So this is the result that we have. So we'll find it how to execute a program by using pre-increment and post-increment. Thank you so much for this lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss some more examples on pre-increment and post-increment and decrement operators. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.